Okay, this is a good question here, 35. Again, we're not going to do any really crazy stuff with this because we'll wait till Math 30 for you to learn about logarithms, which will help out with stuff like this, or at least it can. Let's just take a look at this. The sum of this series here is 174,762. We want to determine the number of terms in the series. Well, we know that a is equal to 2, that r, and I can just compare the first two terms here. 8 divided by 2 is 4, so r is equal to 4. And we know that the sum is 174,762. So I'm going to use the formula where we don't know the last term, because in this case we don't know the last term. So we've got 174,762 is going to equal a times r to the n minus 1 all over r minus 1. Okay? Because I don't know what the n is, and that's what I'm looking for here. So what we're going to do here to start off with, okay, 4 minus 1 is 3. So I'm going to multiply that by 3. I'm going to get rid of the denominator because the denominator doesn't have the n in it. So 174,762 times 3. And we're going to get 524,286 equals 2 times 4 to the n minus 1. We will now divide that by 2 to bring that coefficient over. And we will get 262,143 equals 4 to the n minus 1. We'll now add 1 to that value. Come over here. This will give us 262,144 equals 4 to the n. Now, at this point right here, I got to kind of play with this a little bit, because I know that this has to be some sort of, it has to be a power of 4. So I'm just going to start plugging in numbers there. And it turns out, with just a real quick check here, that number is actually 4 to the 9. So once we've got power equal to power, and the bases are the same, that means the exponents must also be the same. And so there are 9 terms in that series.